To connect my R1 to my Android device for use in TerraFlex, I first need to go into Bluetooth on my device. Tap on Pair New Device. It will search for Bluetooth devices in the area. I see my R1 receiver there, GNSS, with the serial number. I tap on it to pair, allow it to pair, and then it will show up in my list of paired devices. Now I can close Bluetooth and open TerraFlex. I'll go ahead and allow it to access my location and my media so that I can take photos. I'll go ahead and sign into TerraFlex. Once I'm in, I'll need to open a project, and then I can tap the menu button in the upper left corner. From there, I'll tap on Settings. Once I'm in the settings, then I will tap on Location Service to change it from the internal receiver to my R1. It will search for available devices here, and you'll see that the R1 shows up again as GNSS with the serial number. I tap it, and it connects. Now I can see that I'm connected to the R1. I can set my real-time configuration by tapping on that so that the R1 is using SPAS. And from there, I can go into the map to make sure that everything looks good. Once I'm in the map, then you'll see in the upper left here, my estimated accuracy is 76 centimeters. Looks like I'm connected and ready to collect data.